What's up, gang? It's your boy Brock back with another bang. I ain't playing no games. It's about to go. Damn, it is what it is. I'm about to get Tasha today with rating my fiance's best friend's sexy outfits.
Oh!
I'm about to be rating my fiance's best friend's sexy outfit. It is what it is. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that notification bell if you haven't already. Smash the notification bell. Make it go ring, ding, dong. Hey, ring a ding, 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 dong. Smash that notification bell, please, so you get notifications when we drop new videos, gang. Post notification, gang. Post notification. Shout outs go to Baby Boo, Santonio Smith, M. Kelly, Jasmine James, Young Duffel, and Moses Magnum. Hey, thank y'all so much for turning in the comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody else want to shout out in any of our videos, make sure you hashtag post notification gang down in the comments. Hey, your post notification bell turned on, gang. Now look, Tasha up in the shower. She on no done. And your boy got an accomplice today. Me and Pay about to be teaming up. We pranking Tasha, we pranking Sean. It is what it is. Team Brock, Team Pay in them comments. I'm gonna be acting like I'm rating her sexy outfits for her. Instead of Sean. Tasha gonna whoop my ass. I don't care, cause I do it for the squad. It is what it is, gang. As soon as Tasha get out the shower, we gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna hit Pay up.
Oh!
We gonna do our thing, all right, gang. Let's get into this thing.
5 minutes later.
Hey, what's up? Hell yeah, I'm ready. God damn. Okay. No, I like it. I like that one. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna get that one a 15 out of 10 for sure.
Oh!
That's a 15 for sure. Okay, yeah. Okay, shit, I want to see both, but do the cheetah first. Mm-hmm. Okay, that one in red pumps. Okay. God dang. Okay, I like. Yeah, sway. Okay, sway. Oh. Yeah.
How the hell you down here loud as hell?
Oh, shit.
Who you talking to?
Huh?
Oh!
First of all, why you loud as f***? You
Oh,
loud
shit, my bad.
Who you talking to?
Huh?
Who you talking to?
Pay?
Why are you talking to Pay?
Huh?
What you on the phone with Pay for?
Hold on, do a spin
Why are you
again.
on the phone with Pay?
What?
Why are you on the phone with Pay?
What you mean when I'm on the phone, Pay?
What the f*** do the question sound like that? I said, why the f*** are you on the phone with Pay?
Cause we friends. You gonna smack the phone? We friends. That's my friend.
That's my friend. Sean is your friend.
What?
Pay is not your motherfucking friend.
Okay, look.
Pay ain't never been your friend.
Pray with the T at. Hold on, let me tell you what she doing. Then calm down.
Okay, why are y'all on the phone?
Bro, she's doing a trial haul for me. I'm rating her trial haul. What?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
That's a 15.
Why the f*** are you rating her try-on haul, bro?
That's a 15, Pay.
Why the f*** are you rating her Why the f*** are you rating her
Bro, what the hell wrong with your ass? I swear to God.
What y'all got going
Ah,
on?
shit.
What? No, I'm not feeling it.
Hey, put
What y'all got going on? What they got going on, Sean? Hey. Oh, thank you, friend.
Hey, put
What
the...
y'all got going on?
Hey, Sean, tell...
What you got going on?
Tell Pay to put the cheat on for me.
Why the f*** you doing a try-on? Back the f*** up. You finna piss me the f*** off because you trying to get the f*** back.
She was just about to put the cheat on.
Get the f*** back.
She was about to put the cheat on. Shit. What, huh? You hating?
Y'all,
I'm I'm tired of seeing Pay in that shit outfit though.
Why the
Go ahead.
you make?
You ain't
What the fuck you got? Stop.
Be my goddamn Adam's apple. Be my Adam's apple.
Here, I'm waiting for another.
Why you tripping?
You on the phone with that?
Why you tripping?
Cause you on the phone with that?
Okay, let me tell you. Calm down. Let me tell you. I just told you.
No, you didn't tell me. You ain't said shit.
Break her
You
outfit.
said shit. Why are you rating her outfit?
Let me get up. Cause she.
Why are you stuttering?
Where my phone at?
That's not your.
Where my damn phone?
That's not your. Why are you so hard looking for your phone?
Cause I want to see her. I want to. Oh, there you go. Let's go. Look.
I'm
Because
trying to be so patient.
she say Sean ain't got no
I'm
fashion.
trying to be.
She say Sean ain't
And
got no.
neither do you.
Well, she wanted me to rate it.
Okay, but why she calling you? She's still. And you.
Oh, she got the cheat on. She got the cheat on. Oh shit. Ah!
You playing with me?
Ah, dang.
Oh!
No, she got the cheat on. Oh shit. She got. Ah! Ah, damn. Let me put the chain on. She put the chain on. Why you body slamming it like that, man?
What the fuck you mean? Well, you know exactly why you got body slammed.
You mad
You
cause she
know
got the cheat
exactly
on?
why you got body
You
slammed.
mad cause she got cheat? I told you.
Why are you f***ing with me?
I told you.
Why are
get
you
some
f***ing with me?
I told you get some cheaters.
Why are you f***ing with me?
I told
Why
you
are
get some cheaters.
Why are you f***ing with me?
I told you get some cheaters.
Is she still on the phone?
Yeah.
There
Hey,
you go.
Sean, cut her some slack,
There you
man.
go.
Oh shit. She did a little shimmy shake. She did a little shimmy shake.
Sean,
Huh?
I just bought some lingerie I was finna wear for this nigga. But I want to show you something.
Oh!
Can I show you
You're not
something?
showing. You're not showing.
I gotta show you something.
You're not showing.
So I can't show shit, but she can show you some shit.
I'm rating her outfit.
Why? You don't even rate my motherfucking outfits. What the fuck you on the phone rating her
I
outfits?
call you. I
for?
say you a 10. Shoulder, you a 10. You max like they were 15. That cheater was about 17.
Bruh.
I'm like 1 through 10. That cheater
I'm
was
telling
17.
you now, I keep letting you slide. I'ma slide you in a minute.
Tasha, she live all the way in Texas. You
I
know
wouldn't give a fuck. Why are you on the phone with another female rating her shit? I don't give a fuck where she at.
she send me her every
And that's
day.
supposed to be my homegirl. What you got going on? She's
She's
supposed to be my home.
Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Put that shit down. Look at my ass. Look at my ass, Sean. What's wrong with you? Put that shit away. Nobody see that shit.
Say it one more time.
It looked like a brown globe. It looked like a brown globe. Hey, send me that pic. Hey, send me that. Hey, send me that pic.
Send me the pic. Hey, you said the pic is up. Hey, you it's up.
Hey, girl,
You said the motherfucking pic.
Hey, girl, you look good. Hey, girl, you look good in that shit. Stop. Stop. Why is you mad? Huh?
Okay.
Little Red Riding Hood? Is you the bad? Is you the big bad wolf or Little Red Riding Hood? Which one? Oh! Hey, girl, you look good.
Why you f***ing with me, bro?
You looking real. Oh. Hey, Sean, let her go. Sean, get up off her, homie.
Hey,
If I come out there and smack the shit out that.
sit the f*** down.
What? He better not be touching on Pay right now.
Sit the fuck down.
He better not be messing with Pay. You okay, Pay? You okay, Pay? Text me, Pay.
Shut the f*** up. What's wrong with you? Shut up. I'm over here. What?
I don't want to know. I don't want to know no more.
Shut
wanna
up.
know.
You finna piss me the f*** off.
I
I'm
don't wanna
already
know.
there.
I don't
I'm
wanna know.
ticking. It's f***ing ticking.
I don't want to know.
Stand up to get this motherfucking phone again. I'll throw this bitch in the
I
trash.
can't stand up to talk to you. I still talk to you.
Sit there.
I still talk to you. I still talk to you. Damn, my mom, bitch, talk about you. Tasha, keep the ball.
I just want to know what you got going on. How you think this cute?
Trying to go with
I
Pay.
think this cute.
Hey, let me see you in the goal right quick. This might be the last time I call you because she tripping. This might be the last outfit you can send me, Pay. Go and send me a picture of the goal. You hang up the phone and smack the shit out you. That's my
You
pay.
gonna smack-
That's my pay.
Bruh.
That's my. You heard me? You heard me, Sean? I smack shit joy.
Don't trip, I got him.
You
Don't
gonna show my goddamn girl your belly and shit? Bump you the ah! Sean!
Right?
Sean!
Why?
And his name is John C.
Sean!
Why? Why?
Sean!
Why?
Tell Pay to help. Sean, tell the Pay to help. Sean, tell Pay to help.
Hang up the phone.
No.
Hang up the phone.
No.
Hang up the phone. Oh, you fighting for the phone.
Oh, shit.
You fighting for that motherfucker?
Oh, you want to get it in, huh? You gonna get it in, huh? I'm look, Tasha, I'm still gonna make love to you.
Brock,
I'm still gonna make love to you.
I'm telling you.
But I might have Pay try
Get
out.
off me.
I might have pain that dress in my head.
Oh.
I might have that dress in my head, though.
That's cool.
What?
Don't trip.
Okay.
I ain't tripping. Don't even trip.
Let me tell my name to peace out. Why is you throwing shit at me, bro?
Don't trip.
Tasha, you taking it way too far. I ain't smashed
I'm
yet.
taking it way. You ain't smashed yet.
I ain't. I said I ain't. It's true. I have.
All right.
Patty, where you go, baby? Where you go, Patty? Ah!
Keep playing with me.
Where you go?
Ah! Keep playing with me.
Tasha, what the
Keep
hell?
playing with me.
Homies! Homies!
Keep playing with
Tell
me.
him respect your ass, what the guy.
Keep playing with
Why
me.
is you beating me?
Playing.
Why is you beating
I'm
me?
abusing you. You turn on shit.
Just why you missed. Okay, I shouldn't did it. I shouldn't did it. I shouldn't did it. I shouldn't did it. I shouldn't.
Throw something else.
Where's my phone at so I can tell Pay something? Damn. Where you threw my damn phone?
What? Bro.
Huh? At least tell her adios like shit. I'ma miss her. Hey, bye, some
You
shit.
gonna miss her?
No, I'm
So you
missing.
been having side conversations
Okay, I
with
won't
the
miss her.
girl on the low?
I ain't gonna miss her,
Huh?
but I'ma miss the outfit she in
You
though.
been
Oh.
you been having side conversations with the homegirl?
No, she just sent me
Huh?
her pictures.
Okay.
Cause she like how I rate them. I always
How long
give
she
her.
been sending you her pictures?
Always give her more than 10. Shine
How
on
long
it.
you-
Shine be giving her
I'm
9.
asking you a
9 and a half.
question.
3 months. 3 months. 3 months.
Too much.
3 months. Every
I
day.
asked you a question.
Every day for 3 months.
Every day for 3 months?
Yeah.
And you been looking at her pictures right now?
I ain't tell you because you was crazy. That's why I ain't tell your ass for 10.
I got JP's number. Don't trip.
Okay, I do.
I got Sean's number.
You ain't said
Don't
shit.
trip.
I smacked you.
I'm finna go show him this kitty cat right now.
You made me split my pants trying to get back to pack.
That's why you got white in the corner of your lips, you crackhead looking.
That's not why. She sent me some of that what's her name too.
Right.
Huh?
You want to end it all, huh?
Hey, my
You
phone
ready to
stuck,
end
bro.
it all?
Huh?
You ready to end it all?
Nah.
You ready?
And what all?
You ready?
To end what all? You gonna do something? Huh? Come on. Ah, now I got your ass. Ah!
Trip.
Ah!
I like that one.
Okay.
Now I got that on.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you sending you pictures? You ain't
I'm
going
gonna put a
nowhere.
top in your boot. I'm gonna put a top in your boot.
Throw me your
I'm gonna put a
booty.
top in your boot. Ah! Okay.
When the
Okay.
head go to body.
I tap out.
When
I tap out.
the head go to body.
I tap out.
You told me that one.
Oh.
Head go to body.
Where the tickle go, the ass go. Where the tickle go, the nigga go. Where the tickle go, the nigga go. Always playing around.
I'm playing.
Yes. You taking this too far. Why is you tripping? Damn. You love me? Tasha, I love your ass, bro. I said you were 10. Damn.
I need a haircut.
You be tripping.
No, you be tripping, but it's cool. I'm not even tripping.
I said you was a damn 10.
I'm not tripping at all. I got something for your ass.
You do?
Yep. I got something for your ass. Don't even trip.
Let me see if Pace got something for me.
So you gonna call me on my phone?
Huh?
Huh?
Call who? Oh, I'm calling Pay. I'm calling her. Hello, are you good, Pay? Okay. All right.
What you got going
Tell
on?
that nigga to move his goddamn hands so I can see that fit.
Boy, you pissed me the f off.
Oh.
Tell him to move his goddamn hand.
What you got going on? So that's cute? That's cute?
Don't be talking to Pay like that. Don't be she
Let me-
nothing
give me my phone.
It's my fault. You mad at somebody, be mad at me.
Give me my phone.
Now look,
Give me my phone.
let me see the gold outfit. Let me see the gold before we go.
So that's cute?
Let me see the gold before we
That's
go.
okay? So I can go ahead and send Sean?
Hell no! I smacked this shit. Say something. Say something or come down on your ass. Say something or come down on your ass.
Can't hear!
Or come down on your ass.
Can't hear!
Hell wrong with you. Hello? Oh, you still got my cheetah on? Oh, roll it all the way down. Ew. Okay, look, Shine. Hey, live with the hey, homie. Out. I'll whoop your ass. Get your ugly ass feet off the TV screen.
You gotta see me. You gotta see me. You gotta see me.
For what?
Cause we were supposed to be friends. We were supposed to be her.
No, hell no. Hell no. You better let her go. Okay, look. We got something to tell y'all. We got something to tell you. 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 So what the hell wrong with you? Okay, look. Look. It's just a break. It's just a break.
Oh!
It's just a break. Let me go to the break. Dog, I promise you. Watch that intro.
3 different outfits. From the first time I saw her, she got on 3 different motherfuckers.
Oh, she look good, dog. Look. I'm just prank. I just play. It's a prank. Shout out to prank. Let her go, Sean, for whoop your ass.
Why you gonna whoop his ass? Cause it's a motherfucking prank.
Cause he ain't no our free, and that's our free. That's got an our free. Why is you trying to whoop my ass? Damn, you know I already did that. I told you it's a prank.
With either one of y'all. Sean, the only cool nigga.
All right, Sean.
Sean is
You all right?
the only cool motherfucking nigga.
Oh!
You got? We pranked your ass. You hating? It's just a prank, Sean. Calm down, man. You had shit. Pay the goddamn headlock, man.
That wasn't right, Pay. That wasn't right. That wasn't right. It wasn't right, friend. No, because you had the ass out and you look good. But it ain't right. It ain't right. It ain't right. I'm cool.
She hating. Ah! Okay, she ain't hating. My bad. You mad? Okay, cool. Okay, tell her I'll be the first subscriber.
Oh!
I just playing. I got a prank. Shit. Damn, y'all be tripping. You and Sean over here tripping. Pay, go ahead, shout your channel out. Hey, all right, y'all. We got it in. Tell Sean to cut you some slack. You already know what it is, gang. Brockandtasha. All right. Good looking out.
So you think that shit okay?
I mean, that was a little.
I don't think that. I think that shit was too far.
No, you were my too damn far.
No, you doing this. I didn't whoop your ass enough. The
You put me in every submission hole.
So what? You deserved all that shit. You're supposed to be talking to my friend on the phone, rating her motherfucking outfit. You deserve to get your motherfucking ass whooped.
I can't rate little baby. I was just telling her she showed you. I ain't gonna say it. I crossed the line, but that's what Team Brock do. Team Brock stand up. We up one little out there over there. Hot. Look at her. She real hot.
I am mad as fuck. So let me tell you, Team Brock.
What?
Good luck.
Oh!
Good luck. Anything he can do, we can do better.
Man.
Y'all know that if he go high, I'm going to hell.
Okay, I'm gonna wait to do my intro after your ass to talk.
Yeah.
4 to 6 weeks later.
I'm talking to BT Gang to let them know what's finna happen because I don't want to hear no shit in the comments.
Okay.
It's motherfucking up.
Team Brock and Team Paying them shit in the comments. Hey, make sure you go over Pay and Shine channel. They doing a part 2 over there. Make sure you go over there and blow up their channel, bro. Blow up their channel. Watch this video. Send them some love. Bunch of comments, y'all. And watch some of their other videos. Go ahead and subscribe if you ain't subscribed to Pay and Shine. All right, y'all? Team Brock, Team Pay in the building. She ain't got shit to say. We up.
Best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her cause she